Hello guys, come in, let's cook this easy spaghetti recipe that you are seeing right here with just few ingredients. So here is my pasta water. I added the pasta. My kid used it before, so I decided to use it and I gave it a quick stir. In my pan I added my butter. So the spaghetti was cooked. It was 9 to 10 minutes, so I cooked it for 7 minutes. So I added some olive oil, my onion, my cherry tomato, my courgettes that I crushed, frozen, so bayleaf, white pepper, garlic powder, ginger powder, rosemary. So I just stir together. And now I'll add in my pre-cooked spaghetti. So I added just a slime of the spaghetti water and I gave it a quick stir. My returnees, thank you, my old and my new. Thank you for always being here. Subscribe if you are not. Subscribe. Follow us on all social platforms, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Lady B Varieties is the name. So once I'm done stirring, I'll cover and I like to cook on a low heat for another 2 minutes. So I tested it needed salt. I added the salt. Thank you guys. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos, cooking videos, health recipe, family lifestyle. So here it is properly stirred. I covered. Look at that. Ready to be enjoyed. See me enjoying it already. Join me guys. See you in my next video. Bye. Love you.